In this video, we will demonstrate how users can simultaneously program multiple I2C or SPI-based EEPROM and flash memory chips in parallel using multiple total phase host adapters within our Flash Center software. This process, also known as gang programming, allows for efficient and high-volume programming of memory chips. Before we get started, let's review a few components of the Flash Center software interface. Our software is designed as an easy-to-use interface with options to read, write, verify, and erase data from memory devices in seconds. The adapter section of the Flash Center software shows all the devices that are currently connected to the interface and their individual status. The software is compatible with our I2C SPI host adapters, including the Premier serial platform, which supports SPI master speeds up to 80 MHz and I2C master speeds up to 3.4 MHz, the Cheetah SPI host adapter, which supports SPI master speeds up to 40 MHz, and the Aardvark I2C SPI host adapter, which supports SPI master speeds up to 8 megabits per second and I2C master speeds up to 800 kilobits per second. For this demonstration, we will be using one Aardvark I2C SPI host adapter and two Cheetah SPI host adapters. Using the USB cable that is included with each of our devices, we'll connect our adapters to the USB port on our host computer. Depending on the number of devices you want to connect, a USB hub may be necessary. We'll start by connecting these devices to the software. To do so, click Adapters from the top menu and then Add Adapters. Alternatively, you can also click the Add Adapters button located on the lower left-hand side of the screen. A pop-up window will list the available adapters to select from. In addition to this, information about each adapter, such as serial numbers and version information, will appear here as well. Select the adapters that you want to connect. From our application, we will be selecting the two Cheetah adapters and the one Aardvark adapter. Click the Add button, and you will now see all of these devices appear in the adapters panel. This button allows you to toggle the adapter's target power on and off. We'll now connect each host adapter to our target device. For this demonstration, we will be utilizing a total phase SPI Flash demo board containing an SPI Flash memory device. Now, navigate to the Choose Target button that is located in the upper left-hand side of the screen. From here, we will select the part number of the target device that we'll be programming. Ours is an STMicro M25 P32 device. As you can see here, Total Phase's Flash Center software offers an extensive built-in parts library that supports multiple types of memory chips from various manufacturers, such as Atmel, Micronix, Microchip, and Intel. Users can also add a new memory device to the library if needed using an XML part file. Now we will load a 1 megabyte data file onto the chip. Navigate to the Load File button, which is located at the bottom of the data window. The software supports hex, sRecord, and binary file types. Select your data file and click Open. Once the data has successfully loaded, click the Program button. Now the same data is being programmed onto all of the connected chips simultaneously. As you can see by the timestamp, it took us just about 4 seconds to program 1 megabyte worth of data. Once the data has been loaded, click the Verify button. This will confirm that the contents of each target memory device matches the contents of the data buffer. Now let's clear the data and read back what was just wrote to the flash memory. And there you have it. The Flash Center software makes gang programming a simple task to quickly and easily program multiple memory devices in parallel. For more information on these tools and other applications, please visit us on the web at www.totalphase.com.